have 9 advanced hip mobility exercises. You're going to grab your ankle and you're going to push on your knee and you're going to work on hip external rotation. You can really give her a good grab. And Brad actually uses the strap to do this one.
Yeah, you don't need it, but it comes in handy. This is the way I do it at home. It's just kind of habit now.
Let's go right into internal rotation now, Brad. This one's bad for me. I grab the ankle, grab the outside of the knee, and I'm trying to leverage it. But I really,
The strap really does help me because I can pull with the strap.
pull it right around. Cross your ankles, and you grab on to your ankles, and you're going to pull forward like this and give a good abductor stretch.
Yep. I'm just going to do it with the strap.
Yep.
Strap on, strap off. And we can't do it with feet touching like this. That's what I
Sure, you
always
can do it both ways.
That's a little more.
Oh, that one's a little more advanced.
Yeah, that's a little more
Ooh,
advanced.
baby. But you're going to go like this.
Oh.
Give a good hip adductor stretch.
Yeah. You know, this is one of my least favorite of the ones. But
These are the ones I have trouble with the most too. Just like this.
so we're looking down and bending the knee there, bending the knee there, and
Yeah.
then what?
Well, then you can lean forward
Okay.
on the lead leg like
Oh,
that.
yeah.
But the harder one for me is to try to rotate back. I'm trying to rotate, and you feel a stretch on this one. Bad one for me. So you're going to have your legs abducted, and you're going to try to sit back like a frog. Oh, my God, I don't have much motion there.
Yeah, I mean, you sound like an old man, Bob.
Yeah,
Just relax. Breathe.
Oh.
Just use some body weight, and I'm going to stretch. I can go a little this way so you can see how it's looking. And I just lean forward. Try to keep your back straight. Relax and breathe. It just is an easier stretch, and it's quite aggressive, but you can control it really nicely.
All right, then we're going to do the hip flexor, which this really isn't advanced until you go like this and grab your ankle and you put your elbow against your knee and you can move it into external rotation while you're stretching the hip flexor.
So here,
Stretching this hip flexor and stretching this leg into external rotation,
you get
which
two.
Brad has plenty of.
Oh, two stretches in one.
Great. I don't want you rounding out like this.
Yeah.
I want you to keep it straight and bend forward.
I always told people, think about bringing your sternum to your knee, not your nose to your toes, and it helps.
You're trying to think about putting that bone right, have it pop out of your hip. So
That's a nice way to think about
you
it.
have this lined up kind of where your belly is, and you're going to lean forward, and you lean off to the side like this.